Hey everyone, it's Liam. I'm going to do a quick detailed overview of one of my axes. I've been told before that I move things around a little bit too fast in some of my other videos to get a clear picture of what's going on with these products. So I'm going to go a little bit slower here. Now this is the bearded belt carry hatchet. It is 12 inches long with a 19-ounce head weight, and you can carry it on your hip. This is the smallest axe that I make, and it's carried through some of my dealers. I don't carry this directly, and the dealer links are on my website under ordering instructions. So let's get started with the edge geometry. The edge on this axe is convex ground for camping. As you can see here, the convex edge blends into the forged texture really nicely. Razor sharp edge, that's how they come. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We'll focus on the eye of the axe now. I use poplar for the wedges because it sticks really nicely in between the ash or the hickory. And if you'll notice this detail here, I chamfer the edge of the top of the eye and then form a tip, a point at the front here. All in these little details that I add onto these axes. That's what really separates a nice, fine, comfortable, well-made tool from a mass-produced tool. Details like these. So that gets rid of sharp edges, looks nice, blends everything together, really tight fit, and also a chamfer around the whole perimeter of the axe itself for the same reasons. The back pole. This back pole is hardened and tempered just like all of my axes. You can use it as a hammer. I encourage you guys to use these as hammers. It will not damage the axe at all. So go out there, use them. Don't be afraid to hammer on steel with these things. The edges are chamfered and crowned for better hammering, and so your hand isn't touching any really sharp edges there. The handle on this is ash. And let's see if I can zoom in here. I only use the straight section of the board, which is what's considered the ideal section of a board for an axe handle, is where the grain is running lengthwise with the handle. You see the grains running this way, not this way. And this makes the axe stronger, less susceptible to breaking. And I chamfer the end of the handle as well. No sharp edges, looks nice. And here we have a hole that's drilled and countersinking, easing the edges. All of the edges are eased, that's important. This hole is intended for paracord to go through, or any type of string, mainly for storage of the axe so you can hang it up. You don't want an axe lying on the ground. My stamp here. When I was making my stamp and ordering it, I told the stamp company I want to make sure that this gets stamped in deep, bold, long-lasting impression. So that's what I got. All of my stamps are very deep into the axe head. Won't come out with rust or age. It's in there to stay. The axe head itself is forged to shape. You can see there's no grinding on the face of the axe here. The cross section and everything is forged to what it should be. Quick alignment shot of the blade to the handle. Alright. All of my axes have these details. Of course, the head shapes and the grinds, the geometry can change from axe to axe, axe design to axe design, depending on what the axe is made for. This little guy is a great camping tool. So I hope you guys enjoy looking over one of my axes, one of my tools, all 100% made in my shop by hand, using only materials sourced in the United States. My website again is hoffmanblacksmithing.com. We take pre-orders for these, and we also have dealers that carry axes of mine. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.